The state of California filed suit against the Trump administration today over the DACA program, and we are joined now by our Attorney General Xavier Becerra. Thank you, sir, for joining us today.
Mr. Becerra, the lawsuit you filed argues that rescinding DACA violates the Fifth Amendment's due process. Can you explain that for us?
Sure. Every one of us here in this country is entitled to make sure that our government doesn't treat us in an arbitrary or capricious manner. We are entitled to know about some accusation. We're entitled to know what the process will look like. And in this particular case, the Trump administration violated those Fifth Amendment rights.
States and the District of Columbia filed a joint suit last week making some of the same legal arguments. Why did California decide to file today's suit on its own?
Well, remember that California is special in many ways. Of the 800,000 or so DACA recipients, of those dreamers, more than 200,000 live simply here in the state of California, 1 in 4. And so we are going to do everything we can here in California to protect those interests of all those young Americans. And I believe it's important that we put forward the best arguments we can to fight for them. And so we were prepared in talking to all the different state attorneys general and talking to our partners here in California to do so by filing a lawsuit here in California.
Mr. Becerra, you said 1 in 4 live here in California. I take it you've heard from a lot of worried families. How do you calm their fears in the meantime?
And I have one, and it's a tough thing. 2 DACA dreamers were with me at the press conference, Rosa and Eva, and they gave some compelling testimony about what they did. Both came when they were 4, and both are now in college, one at UC Davis and one at Sacramento State University. And now they're up in limbo. And I don't believe this country ever intended to have children be punished for the actions or lack of actions by adults, whether it's the actions of the people who brought them to this country or whether it's the lack of action by our Congress and the President to fix a broken immigration system. And so here you have some talented people who are demonstrating, having come out of the shadows, paid the fees to come forward, to go through background checks, to pay taxes now, and to now go to colleges. I don't think we're here to tell them, no, we're going to slam the door on you because you did everything the right way. And that's why we believe there's a very strong case that the Trump administration exceeded its authority by violating the Constitution and federal laws.
A very busy day for you. California Attorney General Xavier Becerra, thank you so much for taking the time to join us today.